wondering how do I clean my genuine leather bag, then this is a video for you. The bag got stained, water stained, the leather. Okay, so jumping back in for the last and final time. Remember to click that subscribe button at the bottom, that like button, comment what would you do if you had the watermark situation. Do you even know how to care for your leather bags? Let me know if this video was very helpful, and remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. Go watch a look. So you have a leather bag. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking a bit homeless today. Don't mind that. Today is cleaning day and I'm cleaning my bags. The water stain right here was recent. Something got spilled on my bag. I'm not going to cry about it today, but some water spilled on my bag. It was sitting in the water for a while, and now I have a water stain on my leather bag. It's horrible, but we're going to clean it. If you're ever wondering how do I clean my genuine leather bag, then this is a video for you. The bag got stained, water stained, the leather, but I'm going to clean it up real quick. I have my cleaning tools, and we have some unscented sensitive wipes we're going to use. So let's try to do this. We're gonna probably have music playing over it because I'm going to watch YouTube in the meantime. Let me lean back on my seat and get to the bag. No, don't watch our look right now. God, let me just wipe her down. So we're going to wipe her down. Wipe her down. Wipe her. And then she just have to like properly dry. Wipe her down. Yeah, this is what you do when you have a leather bag, a genuine leather bag. You have to care for it. Yeah, it takes a lot of caring for. And it is a vintage, so I plan to pass it down to my kitty witties if I have any. So I have to care for it. I labeled them before I left Japan, but like the labeling start coming off. So it is leather for, oh, this is the cleaning oil. All right, I think this one is horse something like that. Horse. Oh my god. All right, let me see that. But this one is for cleaning the bag. Right, this is for cleaning the bag, leather bag. This is for the brass, so the shiny parts. Let me put it, because I'm gonna have to relabel them. This one, it says leather bag. I'm trying to see what the label says. It says cleaning. Hey guys, so I'm going to go in with the brass cleaner. No, I tried to find it on Amazon to drop in a photo of it, but I can't find it. It's very hard to find. It's Brasso metal cleaner, and it basically clean off the metal parts of your bag, especially if you're trying to restore it, if you're trying to keep it your bag for long. This will take off all of the dirt, and trust me, sometimes you don't know the amount of dirt that accumulates, that gets stuck on your zippers and so on. So you have to get in there and clean it out. Like wherever you see gold or metal, you get in there with the cleaner and you wipe it down. So I'm going to open up the bag and I'm going to wipe between the grooves to get out all the dirt. And trust me, some gunk came out. But if you try it on your bag, you will see it as well. But you definitely need the Brasso. I use the Brasso, but it's kind of hard to locate, and you have to read the description well, because they tried to con me in Japan. Look at it. They tried to con me in Japan and gave me like they didn't send the cleaner, they sent something else. So yes, you have to read the description well, especially when you're ordering off Amazon. But Amazon was quick to get me back my money so I could reorder. Yes, I was disgusted. But anyways, we're moving on. So you have to wipe everywhere. So as I'm showing you on your buckle, on the handles, you use you go in with a Q-tip at this point in time. You put a little on it and you slowly go in, because you don't want this to be transferred onto your leather bag. So you go in with just the Q-tip and you wipe it slowly, and trust me, you'll see the amount of dirt that comes off your bag. Thank me later. But if you're into getting your leather bag clean, watch this video. This video is for you. Share it with someone who has a leather bag and they're trying to restore it or keep their bag for many years. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So let's move on to the other part. So this is the leather cleaner. Before, this was the brass cleaner, but I have the truck making sounds in the background, so I can't really talk. But this is the leather cleaner. We have a wipe. Put a little on it. This is going to be the second dose for the leather cleaner. I've done it, no, the third time I'm wiping it off. I'm wiping it off one last time, just to go over one last time, because you know you have the brass clean oil on it, so you just want to go over one more time with it. So just clean every part that you have a leather on your bag. You just wipe. Oh my god, my battery's low. But what I was saying, every part that you have a leather on your bag, you just go over with it, wipe it off. When I bought this bag in Japan, the straps were a bit, because it's vintage, the straps were a bit tattered. So I went to a bag, one of those artisans that deal with bags and stuff like that, and I got them to get the real leather for me, source the leather for me, and change the straps. So I did some refurbishing of my bag. Yeah. So everywhere, so I try my best to keep my bags really proper, once it's, you know, leather and stuff like that. So this is the second time I'm going over the bag just to wipe it off, wipe off all the dirt and stuff like that, the dust, whatever might have accumulated on the bag. And then I'm going to go in with some oils next. Alright, so if you have a leather bag and you want to know, if you have a leather bag and you want to know how to care for it, then this is a video for you. If you have a designer bag and it's looking a bit dirty, it's a bit soiled, this is a video for you on how to care for your bag. I will be dropping in the pictures of the items that I bought, and that I'm using. I am so sad about that water stain, but what to do? Alright, so next we have some oil. So we're done with this was for the brass, to clean the brass, so all the metals. We're done with this, and we have some oils that we're going to put on the leather now. Not too much. It's not like they have it all over the bag. I'm going to stretch it as far. It's a leather oil. So this is one of the oils, just to care for the bag. I'm going to wipe it all over, because leather tends to dry out a lot. It's just to make it shiny, moist, and stuff like that. So wiping it off, and then we're going to put it to dry. Dry a bit, let that dry. Okay, so the last thing we have a new wipes. We'll put some leather conditioner on it, and that's the last thing that we're going to be using for today. So we'll put some leather conditioner on it and rub it in. You can't let none waste, you know. You can't make none waste. And then you wipe it all over the bag. And this is going to seal all the things that you put on it. We're just going to seal it in. It's going to prevent it from getting dry. That's it right here. Prevent it from getting dry and all of that. So you seal in the leather and you just wipe it down, and then I'm gonna put him to dry for a longer time. I'm gonna put it on the back of a chair and just allow it to dry. So you put the leather conditioner all over every part that you have leather. You just put it on. I am sweating. It's so hot here, but I needed to clean up my bag. Yeah. You put it in a little crease in the inside. Yeah. And look at the prints coming alive. Wipe off the bag, wipe off the straps. I'm sweating, but I had to do this. I look jacked up to be on the camera, but I really needed to clean my bag, so, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put some oils on it. Conditioner. I'm gonna put some oil. I am sweating. So this is like balming type fluid, I think. Oh my god, it's all over my nail. It's all over my nails. Alright, we're good. It's all over my fingers. Letting it dry, it cracks a bit. So we're trying to prevent it from cracking. Okay. Alright, we're going to leave it and let it dry. And let it dry. To dry now. I know. It's annoying, but yeah. We're going to put it to dry and see how it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have a leather bag, a designer bag, a luxury bag that you want to know how to care for and clean, then this video is for you. I know I kind of look a bit rough, but don't mind that. Focus on the content of the video, which is about how to care and clean your leather bag. I got some water stains on it recently. Unfortunately, I'm deeply hurt, but I'm going to show you how you can care for and clean your vintage bags in this video. So stay tuned and watch the video. Check out the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. But I hope you enjoy the cleaning process. This is how it's looking after I finished cleaning it. But if you want to know how to do that, then you have to check out the video. It's going to put to dry right now. It's a bit wet right now. It's a bit moist. So I'm going to put it to dry. But check out the video to see how it looks. Okay, so jumping back in real quick just to say, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. It can be videos, travel videos, a lot of hauls, like clothing hauls, bags and stuff like that, shoes and stuff like that. So click subscribe, like, and share for more content. Bye. It might be a travel video. It might be life in Japan video. It might be life in Jamaica video. You never know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Okay, so we're jumping back in for the last and final time. Remember to click that subscribe button at the bottom, that like button, comment what would you do if you had the watermark situation. Do you even know how to care for your leather bags? Let me know if this video was very helpful, and remember to subscribe. Leave a comment, share, and like, and I hope to see you in another video. It might be a travel video, it might be life in Japan video, it might be life in Jamaica video. You never know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.